Mochi, enough? Blow your candle. Yay!
Mag-asawang Vic Soto at Pauline Luna naghanda ng isang bonggang birthday celebration para sa kaarawan ng kanilang bunsong anak na si Baby Thea Marceline o Baby Mochi. Nitong Lunes February 3 ay masayang nag-celebrate ang celebrity couple na sina Pauline Luna at Vic Soto ng ika-first birthday ng kanilang anak na si Baby Mochi. Bagamat January 23 nga ang birthday ni Baby Mochi ay isa namang engrandeng birthday celebration ang kanilang inihanda kung saan ay fiesta theme ang party. Dinaluhan naman ang birthday party ni Baby Mochi ng kanilang buong pamilya, mga mahal sa buhay at malalapit na kaibigan ng Soto family. Narito panuurin ang full video ng ika-first birthday celebration ni Baby Mochi.
May hiyawan at parang mama, let us all welcome our birthday family, Daddy Vic, Mommy Pauline, Ate Tally, and of course, Baby Mochi! Hello! Palakpakan po natin, everybody. Get your voices ready at sama-sama tayong umawit ng happy birthday. Ayan na, malapit na. Kids, let's sing along. Ayan na. We are lighting the first birthday candle of Baby Mochi. So ladies and gentlemen, let us all sing a happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Now let's do it faster this time. Happy birthday. Baby Mochi, enough? Blow your candle. Yay! Isang malakas na palakpakan! Birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Now let's do it faster this time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ngayon, lahat po tayo sabay-sabay. Happy birthday, Baby Mochi in 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday, Baby Mochi. Happy birthday, Baby Mochi. Faster this time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Si Mochi kami birthday niya. Mochi, asa si Mochi? Eh, saan ka dito? Ha? Bubble effect. Happy birthday to you. I want you to make the greatest wish and blow the candle! Yay! Now we're going to put you inside the giant bubble. blow the bubble? Good job. I want to clap for our brave volunteer. Now.
Kasiyahan ng katuwaan at tunay ngang matatandaan ng bawat isa sa mga paparating na taon sa buhay ni Baby.
Haji, how old are you? 1. Very good.